this for? You gotta throw it in it like this.
You got some big old
Put your
turds.
mouth to it.
You got turds in your butt. Yep.
Put
You
your
got pretty turds.
You gotta throw it.
Can you tell us about your turds, please?
Don't
They're
breathe.
brown, but sometimes if I Captain Crunch berries, just berries, not Captain Crunch, they're all green.
Really?
Green. Wow.
You have green
You gotta
turds
throw
and you eat Captain Crunch.
No, only the berries.
The berries.
Yeah, not like Captain Crunch.
Yeah, you're naked. Put your clothes on.
I'm naked?
Yeah, I told you.
They took your shirt off. You
They
just
put
have
the
your
horse
pants
cock
on.
in you. Look.
They did?
Yeah, your shirt's over here.
Mr. Ed just left.
I feel like I'm wearing it.
That skinny ass dude got a cock.
You have on a gown.
Really?
Yeah.
Weird.
And they have little monitors on your chest to check your heart rate and your...
And your heart
I feel
rate.
like I'm pregnant.
And your heart rate's terrible right now too.
Is it?
Yeah, it's bad.
It's not mine.
Yeah,
It's like
it's terrible. It's
20.
some. I don't know, but it's got to be. Ain't that terrible? Yeah, it's got to
I'm
be.
about to cry.
Why?
Because he's telling me.
What? You ready to go eat Whataburger or what?
Dude, I'm so starving for some Whataburger.
Y'all leave them motherfuckers, you piece of shit. Don't pick on me. Them motherfuckers go get some cafeteria food. Fuck y'all.
Cafeteria food?
Yeah,
They're
that's what y'all
closed.
deserve.
You had to come to the hospital after hours.
Where's the fucking plug at?
Yeah, what do you
Huh? I mean, look, if you would get sick at 10:30 instead of 11:30, they'd probably have food. Here it is, 12. Here it is, 12:10. The bar still has an hour and 50 minutes left, and we're at the hospital already. It's pretty good, dude. That's got to be some kind of record. You know what I mean?
The switch off over there.
What did you have? 3 drinks? 4. She had 4, right? I'm sorry. What'd you say?
Fuck you.
There you go. Get it out.
I can't. It's
Come on. Come
falling
on.
down my face.
Come on. Push it. Come on. Oh, there it is. That's thick. Kristen, come grab this. Yeah, she's throwing up now.
Oh, yeah.
Last time she threw up, she said she felt better right after, so.
Just squeeze it off.
She said she got some shit in her face.
I left your mouth off.
Okay.
You're such a good mom. You're such a good mom when Ava there's a... Because she's sick because of your stupid ass husband giving you so many shots. Love you, Chris.
You need one of those hot damn shots right now.
Hey, you know what?
Can you say hot damn for me?
Hot
Look at
thing.
this.
Video me,
Hey.
send it to
I would
Travis.
not. I would not video you. Look, there's nothing on.
I feel so much better right
I'm just
now.
holding my phone.
I want to kiss all
This
three.
feels like some kind of porn movie.
Hot damn. Can you say
just
hot?
like stick your fingers and start.
Uh-oh. I just heard fingers and I saw the movement of... You are videoing me.
I am not. I'm
Let me
holding.
see.
Hey, look,
in front of
and
your
then your
phone.
heart rate and everything's so much better now.
Is it really?
Start talking about.
Oh yeah.
fingers
Oh,
and
it
stuff.
got.
You see her pulse rate went up, huh? Look, oh god.
I was just trying to make
Her
my
pulse
heart rate go down.
Her pulse rate went from 77 to 87.
As soon as she started talking about it.
What did they make?
They didn't ask.
I was just like, motherfuckers. I ain't going to. I'm going to go to jail. Hey.
You,
No.
You.
this guy.
Look,
Hey,
check it
this
out.
guy.
Look. It's like they'll take you right from here straight to a drunk tank, and then you don't even get this. You get concrete. They're still gonna let you out in the
Yeah,
morning.
you know what? Next time, if anybody's drunk this age, you just need to get like so fucked up that you go to the hospital because the doctor was like, we don't care about her alcohol level. He's like, we're not going to test her alcohol level. We're just going to let her go home.
Really?
They didn't test her alcohol level.
I don't know.
You bypassed the cops.
You quit telling me to give
just
myself.
let
I
it go.
can't. That's like telling a pregnant girl with like constant what do you call it when they're sick at the beginning?
Morning sickness.
Yeah, that fucking shitness. I had
Look,
that.
you're talking. Shala's not. She is like.
That's because Shala's like. Shala, we went to Costco late and she drank one margarita and she fell out the bench. Or the boots. Oh, come on, you ain't got shit to say about her.
Well, she's in the truck. You're in the hospital. I mean.
Yeah.
Even though she's fucked up.
Hey, there's Minnie Mouse. Or Mickey Mouse. There's a Walt Disney Road quote on the ceiling. All your dreams can come there true. I mean, if you have the courage to pursue them. Did you hear that? That's
Get
somewhat-
your ass out of that bed
Come on.
and
As
walk
soon as you
around.
walk,
This
you
is
go
that
home.
fucking IV.
Yes.
It's gonna strain your body.
Okay, I'm trying.
It's 12:15. You know I want to eat. You know I need a Big Mac.
Oh, don't want to talk about food, please.
You know I want a Big Mac.
Dude, when they pulled out of here, when I pulled out of here, I was like, oh shit, I gotta get back here. I don't know what the fuck am I at. I don't know where I'm
I'm
at.
at.
You die.
No, I
Come over here.
Is that a drink?
Huh? You want a drink?
Of like water.
Hot damn?
Hell no. I will water.
You got the best fluids in the world.
Sprite me.
Alright, so you think you can be able to get up and walk around, show the doctor you can walk?
Yeah, as long as I get some drink and you could be selfish.
Alright.